viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are also going to discuss about Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our Binance Smart Chain Wallet with 1-inch swap. You know, we have already connected our Binance Smart Chain Wallet with Sushi Swap, Pancake Swap. So today we are going to connect 1-inch swap. So in this platform we will connect, and after that we will discuss about how we can swap one coin to other coin or cryptocurrency. So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So first of all, I'm going to open coin market cap, and then we will discuss about 1-inch swap and what is the price this time. I have open coin market cap. Now going to check the Bitcoin price is almost $21,746, and Ethereum price is $1,700 almost. If we need to check the rank of 1-inch swap, so I think the decentralized platform rank in top 100 cryptocurrency, you can see here on 96 number. 1-inch swap rank is 96 number, and this time price is 64 cent only. So I'm going to click on this link, and then the new page open front of me where we can get the all information about 1-inch. Let's learn about 1-inch on the Learn page. So this token developed on Ethereum based, but today we are going to connect our Binance Smart Chain Wallet, means BSC network, connect with this platform. This platform is decentralized, and you can also stake your coin and also swap your coin. It's depend on you. It's totally depend on you. I'm not giving to any financial advice. So you can see here launch on almost $2 and all-time high almost $7. Not a big reward and ratio. And if you need to buy sell this token, so you can use Binance, FTX, Coinbase Exchange, Bithumb. There is big name is available here. So let's suppose you are going to connect your Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this 1-inch network. You simple open the coin market cap. After that, choose the 1-inch network, and then you can see here this option is available, official website 1inch.io. You just simple click on this website. The website will be open front of you. This is official website, one-stop access to decentralized finance. I already told you about this application is decentralized, and liquidity source 279, and total volume 236 billion, total wallet 3.3 million, and total trade almost 21.5 million. Optimize your trades across hundreds of taxes on multiple networks: Ethereum, Binance Chain, Polygon, Optimize, Binace, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Phantom, Aurora. This big name is available here, and DeFi wallet, also 1-inch DeFi wallet, liquidity pool protocols, and also 1-inch earn. And you can get more information about 1-inch from this. main interface of this website. You can see here also shown here one exchange token, which we already discussed about. You can also join the social network of this platform: Telegram, Discord, Reddit, Twitter. And let's suppose you are going to connect your Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this platform. Simple click on launch the app. Then the new link will be open in front of you, where you can connect your wallet. So I just simple click on cross. 1-inch wallet user on Optimus to be rewarded. View details, you can, if you need to get the detail. So you can see here there's two options available. First, Ethereum. Second, connect wallet. So we need to connect our Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this platform. This wallet this platform is decentralized. You just simple connect your wallet. So going to click on connect wallet, and then you can see here there's option is available here. First, choose a network. Which network you are going to choose with this platform? So I'm going to choose the BNB chain, because I'm going to connect my Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this platform. So that I just simple click on BNB chain. Now the next portion is choose the wallet. Which wallet you are going to connect with this platform? So I'm going to connect Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this platform. So simple is that I just simple click on Binance Smart Chain Wallet. When I click on it, so new pop-ups open front of me, means this pop-ups will be show my wallet main interface. First I need to enter my password. After that I will connect my Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this platform. You can see here the welcome back to Binance Wallet, secure and trusted multi-chain crypto wallet. So I'm going to enter my password here. I have entered my password and click on unlock. When I click on unlock, so pop-ups will be disappear from the main interface, and now the again pop-ups open front of me, where I will confirm I want to connect my Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this platform, this decentralized platform. So you can see here browsing shown here. Now app.1inch.io would like to connect to your account. Yes, I need to connect this wallet with my this wallet with this application. You can see here my wallet is connected successfully. You can see here if I click on it, so my wallet address shown here. I have not any balance, so that shown 0 balance here. And let's suppose you have balance on your this wallet. So what will you do for the swapping? Simple is that there is shown the two tabs. The first tab, which one you have this time? Let's suppose you have BNB in your wallet, okay, and you need to get the USDT. So simple select the second option. Their option is available USDT. Simple click on it. Then the all information shown front of you, means about exchanging and fees. If you see here, I have put 1 BNB on it, so I will get $291.92 USDT dollar in my wallets, okay. And also you can see here I have not any balance, so that there is shown insufficient BNB balance. If you have balance, just simple select the coin from firm tab, and also choose which is coin going to deposit in your wallet. So select on second option, and then check the all information about tax cost. You can see here only tax cost is $0.96, only $0.96, and then click on swap button. After complete the swap, your BNB deducted from your Binance Smart Chain Wallet and your USDT will be deposited in your Binance Smart Chain Wallet in main interface. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Binance Smart Chain Wallet with 1-inch swap. This is so simple and easy, and you can easily swap your cryptocurrency. You can also get more information about this platform from these tabs like trade, DAO, staking. Also you can stake on your coin or cryptocurrency on this tab. So where I hope you properly understand. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.